What is modular arithmetic? Where do we use it? Let us look into many applications including timekeeping, programming, encryption, security, gaming, graphics, music, and sound waves. Also in nature and things around us. Explore and learn more from Anil Kumar. Modular arithmetic, the power of remainders. We all know how division works. It tells us how many times one number fits into another. But what if we are more interested in what's left over? This leftover part, called the remainder, is at the heart of modular arithmetic. Imagine you have 14 eggs, but a tray with 12 slots. You can fit in 12, but 2 remains. 14 divided by 12 gives you one whole and remainder of 2. So 14 mod 12 is 2. So you get it. So you see how modular arithmetic works in daily life. Let's take another example. It is 10 a.m. now. My flight is after 9 hours. What will be the time for my flight? Well, 10 plus 9 is 19. And the clocks resets at 12. So dividing 19 by 12, we get one whole and 7 remains. So it is going to be 7 p.m. You see how we do use the mod in our daily lives. Here is a question for you. Let us say it is 8 p.m. now. What time will it be in 17 hours? Try it out and write your answer in the comments. Think of a cycle with 12. 8 plus 17, 25. When you divide by 12, it goes 2 times, 24, 1 remains. So the time will be 1 p.m., right? Let us now apply these concepts to day of the week. As you know, a week has 7 days. So tell me, what day will it be 37 days after Saturday? Place your answer in the comments below. So 37 days after Saturday, divide 37 by 7. 7 times 5 is 35, 2 remains. So after Saturday, it will be Sunday and then Monday. So it is going to be Monday, 37 days after Saturday. Make sense? So that is how we use modular arithmetic in our daily life. Let us now summarize our learnings. What we learned is that modular arithmetic focuses on remainders. Timekeeping uses mod 12. Day of the weeks uses mod 7. Well, in the next video, we'll look into how modular arithmetic helps in coding and encrypting. Stay with us and enjoy math in daily life in creative ways.
Supported by 100 plus video lessons, interactive exercises, and STEM challenges, This book makes learning engaging. Prepare for SAT, Olympiads, and get ahead in STEM with structured problem solving. This book builds a mindset for success, a platform for future STEM leaders. Explore, innovate, and transform your understanding of mathematics. So, are you ready to crack the numbers? Your journey begins here. Grab your copy today.